Welcome to Early Skills, the next video in the Learning to Roll video series. My name is Sam and I'm a pediatric physiotherapist with Alberta Health Services. In this video, you'll learn about the skills your baby needs to get ready to roll. Remember, some babies may learn these skills on their own and others might need to practice with some of the ideas you're going to learn. Your baby may like some of these ideas and not like others, and that's okay. Try them and find out which ones work for you and your baby. Even before they start reaching for toys with their hands, babies often start to follow a toy with their eyes. This is called tracking. You can practice this by holding an interesting toy where your baby can see it. When they're looking at the toy, slowly move it from one side to the other. Notice how your baby follows the toys with their eyes and then with their head as well. You may notice them follow you with their eyes or keep looking at you if you move from one side to the other, especially if you're talking to them. You can help your baby practice this skill when they're lying on their back, lying on their tummy, and when you're holding them. Babies often have an easier time following a toy that is high contrast, meaning the colors are very different, or black and white. Babies can focus their eyes most easily on objects that are just out of their reach, about 30 centimeters, so keep the toys close. Babies practice holding their head up in tummy time when you're holding them and when you're picking them up. When your baby is 1 month old, they will only be able to hold their head up briefly. You may notice that they tilt their head when you're holding them or when they're on their tummy. This is because they're not yet strong enough to hold their head level. If you notice that your baby always tips their head to the same side and cannot move it the other way, follow up with your healthcare provider. Most babies will lift their head up higher and hold it level, not tip to either side, by 3 months of age. They will also be using their arms to help hold themselves up. By 5 months of age, many babies are pushing up onto straight arms when they are on their tummy. All these things make it easier for your baby to roll. Tummy time is the best way to work on your baby's control of their head and neck movement. If you want more information, check out other resources on tummy time for ideas on how to play and support your baby in this position. As your baby gets stronger and has good head and neck control, they start to learn how to shift their weight from side to side. This happens when they turn their head to follow something interesting and when they start reaching for toys. While on their tummy, they shift their weight to one side, supporting themselves with one arm while lifting the other arm to reach for a toy. It's important to give them chances to reach with both arms. You'll start to see this skill when your baby is around 3 months of age while laying on their back, and when they're around 5 months of age while laying on their tummy. Small, light toys are easiest to start with. Another skill that babies practice is bringing their hands to their feet and their feet to their hands when they're laying on their back. This helps them build the muscles in their tummy. They need this strength in their hips and tummy to learn how to roll from their back onto their tummy. If your baby is not doing this on their own, you can help them by placing a folded towel under their hips and lift them up a little higher. This makes it easier for your baby to reach their feet. You can also try showing them their feet while you are playing with them, or even put an interesting toy like a soft rattle on their feet. If your baby is already doing many of these things on their own, they are ready to start rolling. Watch the Learning to Roll from Tummy to Back for ideas on how to help your baby get rolling.
Find information, support, and services for you and your child by clicking on the link in the description.